I'm Brittany Riley, and you're in the kitchen with Britt. We're here at Home Appliance, and I'm just going to do a really quick appetizer. So this is one that is great during the summertime, but it also kind of can help to bring the summer into your winter months, brighten your day a little bit, because we are going to be wrapping some prosciutto around cantaloupe melon balls. And it's kind of nice just because, you know, we lose a lot of the great summer berries and things like that in the winter, but we can always still get a good cantaloupe. So you can do slices of melon instead. I went for the melon ball, but basically what we're doing is we're taking a strip of prosciutto and we're laying the melon ball in the center and kind of just folding up the sides and using a toothpick, or if you have a fancy little appetizer pick or anything like that for fun, and just sticking that right through. Mine kind of broke on the bottom, but we'll do a couple. They look nice. Obviously, I'm going to kind of put it on a nice cheese tray with a bunch of other different things, but it's kind of a nice quick thing to add in that looks pretty, and it's a very classic flavor combination. All right, enjoy.